Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. As you know, we are here for your English class, and we have already conducted our biology class, and it's our second online class, and it's as per our capacity building project, enabling youth for education. Ms. Shamila is here for us for the lecture, and she has to deliver her lecture on active voice and passive voices. So I would like to ask Ms. Shamila to start her lecture. Ms. Shabila, are you there? Can we start now?
Yes, sir, I am here. Yes,
Okay,
please.
let's start.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone else. And I hope that everybody is fine. And as sir already told you that today we are going to start active and passive voice. So before starting or before going to the exercise, because without sentences, nobody can understand. So first of all, let me tell you that why active and passive voice are important for us and why their sentences are useful in our daily life. If somehow you do remember that active sentence either it can be belongs to any tense. So that you will have to focus on the subject who is performing the action. Do remember that whenever we will make any sentence, so that in active voice, right now I am talking about active voice, जो हमारे एक्टिव वॉइस सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, सो दैट ओवर देयर वी विल हैव टू फोकस कि कौन काम को कर रहा है या कौन काम को करता है या कौन काम को कर चुका है. So subject, you know that we have already discussed either I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or either the name of any of the person. These are important for us. So for that purpose, we will have to use active voice sentence, active voice, right? For example, if I say I write an application, so application is not much important. The important thing is there who is writing the application. So I write, yeah, I am writing the application. On the other hand, if we will talk about passive voice, so passive voice में क्या होता है that you will have to focus on where the action has been performed. कहाँ पे action जो है वो perform हुआ है, ये किसके जरिए perform हुआ है, is not essential for us. But kahan action perform hua hai, where it has been performed, so that we will have to discuss this in passive voice. For example, the application has written, has been written. The application has been written. The important is there that what has been written. Obviously, the application has been written. And then it is not necessary we will mention by me, by him, by her. The important thing is there that we are focused on over there the object. In active voice हम कहाँ पे focus करते, and then in passive voice we will have to focus on where the action has been performed, किस पे action perform हुआ है, किसके जरिए हुआ है. That is not important in passive voice. It's up to you, either you may mention or either you may not mention. So one by one in every tense we are going to do the sentences so that you may learn about it, that how the sentences can be changed into passive voice. All right, so I think we should start. I need a board. I am using it, and then here I am writing some of the examples of active and passive voice. जब हम examples करेंगे तो you may know in a better way that active and passive where we need to use them. Once again, you will feel free to ask any question without questioning. The voices cannot be fruitful or any other topic cannot be fruitful. So first of all, we are going to start simple present tense. Yes, here you can see in simple present the simple sentence has been written. She speaks Chinese. ठीक है, तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में क्या होता है, हम यूज करते हैं सब्जेक्ट, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज. So the simple sentence is she speaks Chinese. Whenever simple sentence we will convert it into passive voice, so what do we have to use? We will have to write down the object first. So the object is here Chinese. Chinese is one language, so that we will have to think about the helping verb is MR. So Chinese is. Now verb third form we will have to use here. So verb third form is spoken. Chinese is spoken by her. Now in this sentence you can see that Chinese, she speaks Chinese. Here we are focusing that the person is speaking Chinese. On the other hand, we will see that we are focusing on passive voice के क्या चीज बोली जाती है, कौन सी लैंग्वेज है जो बोली जाती है. तो here में यार मेंशनिंग के भाई चाइनीज बोली जाती है. अब वो कौन बोलता है, किसके जरिए बोली, that is not focus on the passive voice. Okay. On the other hand, we are going to discuss about second sentence, simple past or present. Present continuous. Present continuous. All right. Number 2. In present continuous, what do we have to do? We will have to use a sentence with ing form, with fourth form of verb. With fourth form of verb, you will have to use this. How come? Let me see. G. For example, he is reading the newspaper. Okay. अब वो क्या कर रहा है, अखबार पढ़ रहा है. The important thing is he is reading the newspaper. अब पैसिव वॉइस हम इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे, that we will have to use object, then same is mr will come. After is mr we will use being, and after being we will use third form of verb. Do remember, in passive sentence all the time we will have to use third form of verb, which is called past participle. ठीक है, जब भी हम पैसिव सेंटेंस कोई बनाएंगे तो हमने वहां पे थर्ड फॉर्म का ही इस्तेमाल करना है. Whatever the circumstances are there, but we will have to use थर्ड फॉर्म. हमने थर्ड फॉर्म ही यूज करनी है. ये तो आप बस अपने जहन में बिठा लें. So how we will use it into passive voice? You can see the newspaper. Newspaper now is being we will use. Is being, third form is read by, and then him will come. He is reading the newspaper. On the other hand, the passive sentence is the newspaper is being read by him. After this, we are going to discuss past, present, perfect tense. Present, perfect. In present perfect, what do? We will have to use has and have. And whenever we will convert it into passive voice, we will use been. For example, I am writing Ahmed has submitted the assignment to the teacher. Okay. assignment. So this is belongs to present perfect tense, active sentence, because we are not bring any change here. जब हम इसको पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो सबसे पहले we will have to find out कि where is the objective. Objective is the assignment. The assignment. Now we will use helping verb. Helping verb is has, and then we will have to use been. Has been. Submitted by Ahmed. If we don't write Ahmed, so this is not a big issue. We will not supposed to write down Ahmed as well, because the focus is what has been submitted. The assignment has been submitted, right? Now we are going to discuss all the sentences into negative form. How these sentences can be changed into negative form. You can see here one by one we are discussing. In simple present tense, it is written she speaks Chinese. So we have written Chinese is spoken by her. So we are going to change only passive voice. So if we want to make the negative sentence, so how do we change it into negative sentence? Chinese is not spoken by her. Or if this is a question, so what do we have to do? We will have to use helping verb before it. You can see I am making the sentence. These are passive voice, do remember. Is Chinese spoken by her, then question mark we will put. On the other hand, if you will talk about present continuous tense, so in present continuous tense, whenever we will convert it into negatives, the same case we will apply. The newspaper is not being read by him, or is the newspaper being read by him? We are writing here the newspaper is not being read by him. On the other hand, if the question is there, so is the newspaper being read by now question mark will come, right? So I hope so you are not having any problem here, no confusion, nothing else. Now we are going to do present perfect tense, negative and question. See, the assignment has not been submitted by Ahmed. If the question is there, so what do we have to do? We will have to use has or have before the object. So I am writing here has the assignment been submitted by Ahmed. Now question mark. Okay. So now here is the clear concept how simple present can be changed into active voice, how present continuous change into active and passive voice, and how present perfect tense can be changed into passive voice. So now we are going to discuss about past tense. I am going to erase it, but if you want to ask anything else, so that you may ask. All right. Now here we are going to discuss past tense, simple past tense. Okay. In simple past tense, what do we have to do? You do remember that we will have to use second form of verb and then object. I am writing here the sentence. All right. The teacher taught English to the students. The teacher taught English to the students. Now you will see here second form is written. Whenever we will convert it into passive voice, so that we will have to use was and were. How? English was taught by the teacher to the students. Right? On the other hand, whenever we will convert it into negative, so negative sentence, how do we do? This is affirmative. A double if I am writing simple sentence is called, or now negative we are going to discuss. English was not taught by the teacher to the students. This is negative. Okay. Now on the other hand, if we will talk about question, so what do we have to do? We will have to use was English taught by the teacher, and then question mark will come. Now we are going to discuss about past continuous tense. Past continuous in past continuous tense, what do we have to do? You can see here they are making making the project map of Pakistan. So when this type of sentence is converted into past continuous tense, instead of is MR, we will have to use was and were. So they is plural, we will have to use were. They were making the map of Pakistan. So this type of sentence is converted into the passive voice by putting over there being. How? The map of Pakistan was been made by them, right? So if we want to make the negative sentence, what do we have to do here? We will have to use the map of Pakistan was not being made by them. अगर हमने क्वेश्चन बनाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम सबसे पहले ये जिसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब है was and were, इसको सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के से पहले ले आएंगे. कैसे? You can see was the map of Pakistan being made by them, then question mark will come, right? So now we are going to discuss about past perfect tense. Now past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, what do we have to do? We will have to use had and third form. How? You can see here. They had made the cars. Okay, simple sentence is there. Whenever past perfect हम जब इसे convert करेंगे simple sentence में, so what do we have to use? We will have to use been there. So the cars had been made by them. Made by them. You can see. If we want to change the same sentence into negative, so we will use they had not made the cars. और अगर हम इसे पैसेज में करेंगे, so the cars had not been made by them. अगर हम इसी सेंटेंस को क्वेश्चन में करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा had they made the car question mark. In passive voice the answer will be had the cars been made by them. This is the passive sentence. So I hope so now you are not having any difficulty in present tense or the past tense. Everything is clear to you. Now we are going to discuss about the future. So we are moving on future tense. Future tense, as we have discussed about, we are discussing the future, but let me see, either the person is important or either the objective is important. So accordingly we will have to write. तो यहाँ पे अभी हम एक simple sentence लिखते हैं simple future का. Simple future. Simple future. ठीक है. अब सिंपल फ्यूचर में हमने सेंटेंस बनाया आई विल टेक और we can say I will get the first position. ठीक है. So this is a simple future tense. Simple sentence has been written there, but whenever we will convert it into passive voice, so we will have to use be and then third form of verb. How? First of all, we will have to find out where the object has been written. So that we are writing the object. Object is the first position. The first position. Now will change into will be. Got is third form. Got by them. Okay. So same case with negative and question. How we will change this? Now I am writing the different sentences. That she will not change into won't as well, or will not. She will not attend the lecture, right? So जब हम इसे convert करेंगे negative में, we will write down the lecture. The lecture will not be attended by her. ठीक है? On the other hand, we are discussing about the question. In question, what do we have to do? We will use will. Will he watched the TV? All right. So question will come. So that how do we have to change? First of all, we will see where is the object. Object is the TV. So same we will write down will the TV be watched by him. Now question mark as it is we will put in passive voice. You can see 3 example I have written: positive, negative, and a question. Now we are discussing simple future change into future continuous tense. So I am clearing these sentences. I hope you are not having any difficulty in active and passive voice sentences. So now future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. ठीक है? In future continuous tense, we are making the sentence like Ali will be decorating the walls. On the other hand, when we will convert it into passive voice, so we will have to use the object the walls will not be decorating by Ali. ठीक है? Now if the sentence will be changed into negative, so what do we have to do? We will have to use not. How come? He won't कर लेते हैं हम, will not change into won't. ठीक है? So he won't be calling the police. ठीक है? So it will change into passive voice. The police won't be called. One more thing you do remember, as I have told you, that you will have to use third form of verb. So will not be, being we will have to add here, and then we will have to use third form of verb, right? Decorated by Ali. Same case with here, that won't be being, won't be being. Now third form is called by him, right? Next is question. Will you be killing the lion? Okay, this is the question. So when this can be converted into passive voice, what do we have to do? We will have to use the object after will. So will the lion be being killed by you, right? Will you be killing the lion change into will the lion be being killed by you? Okay. So now we are going to discuss future perfect tense. All right, now future perfect tense. What do we do in future perfect tense? You can see here. All right, future perfect tense. Okay. So in future perfect tense, the sentence I am making, we will have collected the money. Now it will change into passive voice. The money will have been collected. Will have been collected by us, right? Now negative sentence. Negative sentence, what do we do? Okay, negative. In negative, what do we do? You can see they will have change into won't. They won't have. They won't have cut the trees. Cut की third form, first, second, third form cut ही होती है. So that's why we have written cut. They won't have cut. Otherwise, we will use third form of verb, means past participle. They won't have cut the trees. ठीक है? So what do we write? The trees won't have been. The trees won't have been cut by them. ठीक है? I think ये clear हो गया होगा आपका. Now we are talking about question sentence. question. What do I am making another sentence of okay. Now we are making question. All right. Question is, will she have done the project? Answer is, will the project have been done by her? So this is the question of future perfect tense. Now all tenses except present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense, we have done all tenses which can be converted. Now we are going to do WH question. If WH question will come, so how WH question will be changed into passive voice. So especially who sentence are coming, and then we will discuss about the imperative sentences. So ये जो हमारे WH वाले क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, who वाले क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, जैसे कि who are you, where are you going, to whom you have come, who has done this. So how these type of sentences will be changed? Let me see. But before starting this, beta, if you are having any query regarding this, so that feel free to ask. जब तक आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा, so that it will be difficult for you to understand. तो आप ध्यान दें, and then you may know about it very well. Okay. So now we are on WH. Okay, WH, especially who. So who discovered America? Question mark. So what do we write over there if this type of sentences will come? What do we write? If this type of sentences will come, so what do we write? First of all, we will have to write down. We will have to see this sentence belong to simple present, simple past. So this belong to simple past. So first of all, we will have to write down was. ठीक है, was America. हाँ, ठीक है, was America discovered by. Now we will have to use whom, and then question mark will come at the end. ठीक है. If the sentence can be changed, one more sentence I am writing, which can be in present perfect tense, like who has collected the money or the amount, question mark. So what do we have to, you do remember in a question W should be capital. ठीक है. अब जब हम इसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे पैसिव में, तो कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास से has the amount been collected by whom, and then question mark we will put at the end. Easy. So whenever this type of question will come, we will have to do like this. Who has collected the amount? So has the amount been collected by whom? In passive voice, we will have to use by whom. Now we are going to discuss about modal auxiliary verb. If modal auxiliary verb will come in a sentence, so how we will change them into passive voice. आई होप सो कि ये जो 2 सेंटेंस हमने WH वाले किए हैं ये सबको समझ में आ गए होंगे बआसानी. सो नाउ अब हम मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब की बात कर रहे हैं. तो होते क्या है ये मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब बेसिकली? I am writing here model auxiliary verb. Model auxiliary verb. ठीक है. इन मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हम क्या यूज करेंगे? मस्ट. We will use should. We will use could. Okay, we will use could. Or we will use might. ठीक है. Now one by one we are discussing the sentence here. G. The sentence is Ali must attend all the classes. Must attend all the classes. ठीक है. All the classes. So whenever this will convert it into passive voice, what do we have to use? We will have to use must be and then attended. The answer could be, देखें अब हम आंसर में क्या करेंगे. You can see all the classes. आंसर में क्या आएगा? आंसर में देखें all the classes must be completed, must be attended. Must be attended by Ali. By Ali, right? So on the other hand, if we will discuss about should, so what do we have to do with should? The same case with should. For example, the sentence is you should not, negative I am making, should not replace the roof, at the beginning of winter. At the beginning of winter. Okay. So whenever it will convert it into passive sentence, what do we have to use? You can see, we will find out where is the object has been written. So the object is the roof. The roof. The same model auxiliary verb we will use should. Should. If the negative sentence is there, so that we will write down should not. Now we will use be. Should not be. And after this we will use third form of verb, replaced. Replaced by you. By you at the beginning winter. At the beginning beginning winter. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे पास. Now we are making the sentence of could. could माने कर सकता था, कर सकते थे. So that we are making the question, can Ayan eat burger? ठीक है, easy sentence. So whenever this type of sentence can be converted into passive voice, what do we do? The sentence can be, can Ayan be eaten burger. We are making the passive sentence. So can burger be, third form is eaten. Can burger be eaten by Ayan? Full stop. Right? This is a question, so full stop will not come, question mark will come. Now it will change into could as well. If कर सकता है की बात करेंगे तो हम यूज करेंगे can. अगर वो कर सकता था तो instead of a can we will use could. ठीक है, दोनों modal auxiliary verb हैं. And then same with the passive voice, can change into could burger. All right, could burger be eaten by Ayan? Done हो गया. Now we are going to do practice of might. Might कहाँ होता है? जहाँ probability होती है, जहाँ हमें surety नहीं होती किसी बात की, वहाँ हम might को use करते हैं. For example आप देखेंगे, ठीक है, जहाँ probability होती है, जहाँ surety नहीं होती, 50-50 chances होते हैं, वहां पे हम यूज करते हैं might. अब हम might का एक सेंटेंस बना लेते हैं. She might understand me. ठीक है, अब इसका जो पैसिव बनेगा वो क्या बनेगा? I, me change into I. I might be understood by her. Understood by her. ठीक है, so this sentence belong to passive voice. अब मैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन आपको देती हूँ imperative sentence का. imperative sentence में जहाँ हमारे सजेशन आ जाती है, हमारे मतलब बहुत सारे ऑर्डर आ जाते हैं, these type of sentences are called imperative sentence. For example, हम यहाँ पे लिखें close the door. ठीक है, अगर हमने लिखा close the door, close the door. अब imperative sentence है ना, दरवाजा बंद करो, हम हाईलाइट नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे किसी को, तो इसके लिए अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will use let. Let के बाद हम find out करेंगे where is the object. The object is the door. Then we will use be. Then we will use closed. Done हो गया. So close the door, let the door be closed. अगर हम इसको नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हम कैसे करेंगे, ये भी सुन लीजिए. For example, don't enter the room. Don't enter the room. ठीक हो गया. अब जब इसे हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हम क्या लिखेंगे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में? Isn't the room to be entered. ठीक हो गया. So I hope so today you are not having any confusion about एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस. बहुत आसान करके मैंने बताए हैं, बहुत इजी तरीका है इनको करने का. एक दफा मैं आपको क्विक रिवीजन करवा देती हूँ। सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में जब भी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट यूज करेंगे तो इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम लेंगे इज एम आर, और उसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाएगा थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। अगर हम इसको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस को लेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें हम लेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद आएगा इज एम आर, देन वी विल यूज बीइंग, BEING बीइंग, देन वी विल यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। उसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं परफेक्ट टेंसेस पे। परफेक्ट टेंसेस में क्या होता है, वी विल हैव टू यूज हैज एंड हैव एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। लेकिन जब उसे हम पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी विल यूज ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज एंड हैव प्लस then we will use been and then third form of verb. This is very very necessary. अब हमारे पास क्या आ जाता है, अगर हम पास्ट का यूज करें तो उसमें भी यही हमारे की जगह was and were आ जाता है। अगर हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस यूज कर रहे हैं तो हम सेम केस यूज करेंगे was and were, then being and then verb third form। अगर हमारे पास पास्ट परफेक्ट आ जाता है तो हम ये इसको लिखेंगे had been and then third form of verb। So we are not having any problem there. If we are using future tense, so in future passive में क्या जाता है, will be third form। future continuous में क्या जाता है, will be, being and then third form आ जाएगा। और अगर हम बात करें फ्यूचर परफेक्ट की तो will have been आ जाएगा उनके पैसिव सेंटेंस में। So I hope so you have understand very well. Get ready whatever the topics we have covered. Get ready on Monday so that I will conduct the test of all the topics, and tomorrow inshallah we will be available with the new topic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.